It's the finally Friday edition of Weather for Weather Geeks. Hey everyone, welcome back. And today, definitely some autumn in the air. It was a cooler day, it was a less humid day, and it was a pretty cloudy day until late this afternoon. Let's start out this evening with a time-lapse video from our Youngstown camera. Kind of a slate gray overcast for the entire morning and parts of the afternoon, then from north to south. We saw that clearing, and it's given way to a beautiful, beautiful evening across the valley. 73 was the number today at the airport as far as the high goes. That's only a degree or so, maybe 2 degrees cooler than average for most of our area. Where the clouds took a little longer to break, it was even cooler down towards Akron, New Philly, and up along the lakeshore in Cleveland. It stayed in the upper 60s this afternoon. Clouds, again, parted from north to south, and while we will see some fair weather high cirrus clouds overnight tonight, this deck of stratocumulus clouds is gone and is not coming back anytime real soon. We do have clouds and some wet weather to talk about over the weekend, though. Showers and thunderstorms impacting parts of the Carolinas and Georgia. Tropical system, now tropical depression, may become Tropical Storm Sally this weekend. Will impact the Gulf Coast. For us, our next weather maker is this guy out here. It's first things first, a warm front, and then there'll be a cold front that comes in as we go into the day on Sunday. So let's walk through the weekend. High pressure retreats. We'll see a mixed bag of clouds and sunshine for Saturday. Pretty nice day tomorrow. Not as nice as last Saturday, which was one of the nicest days of the year. Tomorrow will not be quite that nice. There'll be some fair weather clouds around, but I do think we'll be dry until we get into Saturday night. Showers will push in overnight. Showers will come and go. Some localized downpours, that's going to be a possibility. Some claps of thunder will be a possibility as well. Now, as far as the timing of when these showers will get out of our hair, I think from west to east, the showers will push away Sunday afternoon. It may take until 3 or 4 p.m. to clear kind of the I-79 corridor in Mercer and Lawrence counties, but I think by 1 or 2, we'll be in better shape, especially to the west of Youngstown. Probably some sun late in the day. And then great weather coming our way for the first half of next week as a big sprawling high-pressure system builds in. As far as how much rain to expect this weekend, each line is a different computer model here. We like to show you kind of a computer model spread when we're talking about what they may be advertising as far as rain goes, snow goes, any types of impactful weather phenomena. There's a lot more models than just these 6, but these are kind of some of the more major ones that we have access to. And you can see that all the lines are kind of between a ½ an inch and an inch. I think we'll be between a ½ an inch and 2/3 of an inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch in most spots. And again, this is tomorrow night, heading into the midday hour Sunday, ending from west to east Sunday afternoon. 79 tomorrow and 77 on Sunday. The humidity will be noticeable this weekend, especially Saturday night and Sunday morning. The dew points should then drop as we go into the second half of the day Sunday and into Sunday night. There will be a midweek warming trend as the flow turns kind of zonal across the U.S., but then we'll get into a little bit more of a northwesterly flow by the end of next week into next weekend as an upper low pivots across eastern parts of Canada, Hudson Bay. And yeah, this is kind of a cool pattern for us. The heat's all out here, but a northwest flow for us at the jet stream level suggests that the heat will be kept at bay, and it looks like some of the coolest weather we've seen so far this season may be coming our way next weekend with all the heat bottled up out in the west. Odds favor cooler than average temperatures both in the 6 to 10 day outlook and the 8 to 14 day outlook. I've seen some chatter today about possibility of some of the first frosts of the year next weekend in the upper Midwest and maybe even around the Great Lakes. I am a little dubious of it this far to the south. But upper Midwest, maybe up into Michigan, up into New York State, yeah, I think that's going to be a distinct possibility for us. I'm not real bullish on an early season frost just yet next weekend, although daytime highs next Friday and Saturday maybe no better than the upper 60s. And overnight lows should get well down into the 40s, and how low into the 40s will depend on our sky cover. Some will work out those details in the coming days. In the meantime, thank you for watching the Friday evening edition of the Valley's most in-depth weather forecast video. Hope you have a good weekend, everyone, and I will see you back here on Monday.